Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. So in this video we'll be unboxing my Gowise USA 5.8 quarter air fryer. If you're new to my channel, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So this is not a sponsored video, I just needed an air fryer. I went ahead to read some reviews and decided to go for this brand. Please stick around to the end of this video so we can all see exactly how the air fryer looks and how it works. It's packaged really nicely. Included is a beautiful 100 recipe book which will give you some inspiration on what to cook with your air fryer. It has very nice recipes and pictures to go with it. I'm definitely going to be trying out some of these recipes. It's always nice to get recipe books from manufacturers because it gives you options of new things to try. Here's the instruction manual. It's always advisable to read your manual before use. And the air fryer comes in different colors. You have black, red, white, and purple. It comes with 8 presets. You have fries, pork, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, fish, and pizza. You'll be able to select which one you want and just hit the start button. You can also control it manually, selecting the temperature and time that you want. Now let's take a look at the basket and the pan. It's a 5.8 quarter pan and it's a decent size. You can definitely fit lots of food in here for you and your family. The pan is aluminium and has a non-stick coating. So here's the start button where you can manually select your preferred temperature and time. The maximum temperature you have is 400 degrees. I think it's a sleek and well designed air fryer with a nice black color and it looks really cool. I know I'm going to enjoy using this. So that's about it for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in my next one.